Good morning. Don't be making strange sounds. May sound a little weird, but 1 Corinthians 14 and verse 8, and I understand the context is talking about speaking in tongues, but it makes a universal statement that works across the board. It says, if the trumpet makes an uncertain sound, who will prepare himself for battle? And that's a perfect example of you and I. People ought to know when they talk to us who we are, who we belong to, what we stand for. One of the greatest things that you don't want to happen is have someone leave your presence and wonder, wow, I wonder what they stand for. I wonder if they're a Christian or not. I'll have to think about it. My goal in life is to let people know who Jesus is and who I am. So today, don't be making uncertain sounds because uncertain sounds just confuse people. Let me break it down for you. If you're going to be a Christian, be one. Don't just talk about it. You know what? Align your entire life with the gospel. Be what Jesus said you should be. Quit listening to the world. The world will only dilute and it'll mutate your Christianity until people can talk to you, they can be around you, and they won't even know what you are. Remember, don't make a strange sound. Make your sound certain. When you leave talking to someone, let them know they were talking to a disciple of Jesus Christ. Have a great day, and we will see you Sunday.